Are you sick and tired of wasting your time, overwhelmed with lots of responsibilities? Don't have time to work on yourself? Here's the tricks and tips you need to follow to be healthier, happier, and smarter you. Welcome to Curo, your ultimate destination for transforming your lifestyle and embracing a healthier, happier you. Today, we are diving deep into 7 powerful habits that will renew your life and set you on a path to wellness. Watch until the end. I have few more tips to help you build this habit. Why is it crucial to start healthy habits early? Well, think of it as laying the foundation for a sturdy house. Starting good habits early lays the groundwork for a healthier, happier you in the long run you to prevent chronic diseases and sharpens crucial decision making skills. Now let's talk about these game changing habits. Based on research studies, we have found that adopting these healthy habits can help prevent health issues, slow aging, and reduce the risk of cancer. If you wish to learn more about the studies, the link provided in the description will allow you to explore them in detail. First of all, balanced diet. It's not just about what you eat, it's about fueling your body with the proper nutrients for optimal functioning. Just imagine you have bought a car. Filling your vehicle with the proper fuel is very important to keep it running smoothly. That's how filling your plate with yummy stuff like fruits, veggies, lean meats, and good fats keep your body running smoothly and helps you stay at a healthy weight and mental well-being. To incorporate this habit into your routine, try planning your meals ahead of time, grocery shopping for healthy options, and preparing meal in batches for convenience. Next, it's regular physical activities. It's all about finding what moves you. Set achievable goals, mix up your routine with aerobic and strength training exercises, and make physical activity a non negotiable part of your daily life. Whether it's a brisk walk, a dance class, or hitting the gym, find what brings you joy and gets you moving. To make exercise a habit, try scheduling it into your daily calendar. Finding a workout buddy for accountability or incorporating movements into everyday activities like taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Next comes quality sleep. Quality sleep is often underestimated but crucial for overall well being. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, unwinding with a relaxing bedtime routine, and creating a sleep friendly environment can work wonders for your physical and mental health. Remember, a restful night's sleep is the ultimate form of self care. To improve your sleep habits, try setting a bedtime alarm to remind you when it's time to wind down. Creating a soothing bedtime ritual like reading or meditating, and limiting screen time before bed to promote better sleep quality. To improve your sleep, stress management. Stress management is the key to maintaining balance in the hectic world. By identifying your stress triggers, practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation, and prioritizing self care activities, you can effectively manage daily stressors and cultivate resilience. To reduce stress in your life, try incorporating mindfulness practices like yoga or Tai Chi into your routine, setting aside time for hobbies or activities you enjoy, and practicing gratitude to focus on the positive aspects of life. Self care. Speaking of self care, it's not just a buzzword, it's a necessity. From physical and emotional well being to social and spiritual fulfillment, self care encompasses a wide range of practices that nourish your body, mind, and soul. Whether it's taking a bubble bath, journaling, or spending time with loved ones, prioritize self care in your daily routine. Self care is crucial for nurturing our mental well being, especially when we are feeling overwhelmed or frustrated. Often, our minds can feel cluttered with thoughts and worries, making it hard to find clarity. One powerful way to address this is through journaling. When you're feeling irritated or weighed down by problems, take a moment to sit down with a journal or a piece of paper. Write down whatever is on your mind, uncensored. Pour out your thoughts and feelings onto the page. You'll be amazed at how this simple act of putting pen to paper can provide relief and insight. By externalizing your thoughts, you gain a clearer perspective on your challenges. Suddenly, what felt like insurmountable obstacle begins to shrink in size. As you write, you may find that solution emerge naturally. You might discover new approaches or insights that were hidden beneath the surface of your mind. In the end, you will likely find that just the act of expressing your thoughts has already alleviated a significant portion of your burden. So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember the power of journaling as a tool for self care and problem solving. It's a simple yet effective way to find clarity and peace in the midst of life challenges. Have you considered expressing your thoughts through pen and paper? If not, I encourage you to give it a try today. If you find it helpful, please share your experience in the comment section. Nurturing family relationship is the cornerstone of a fulfilling life. Effective communication, quality time spent together, and showing support and empathy during tough times strengthens bonds and create a sense of belonging. To strengthen your family bonds, try scheduling regular family dinners or game nights, planning fun activities or outings together, and expressing appreciation and gratitude for each other regularly. Last but certainly not least, behavior modifications. Behavior modifications are the key to lasting change. By identifying negative habits, setting achievable goals, and staying committed to your transformation journey, you can make positive changes that stick for life. Small steps lead to big results. To make positive changes in your life, try breaking big goals into smaller, more manageable tasks, tracking your progress to stay motivated, and rewarding yourself for reaching milestones along the way. So, are you ready to ignite your transformation journey? Start today and incorporate these healthy habits into your daily life for a happier, healthier you. If you're someone who watched this video till end, I have extra tip for you. Here are the powerful tips. First of all is the key. Set your mind with a purpose. When you align your actions with purpose, it becomes easier to stay committed to the habit you have started. As you continue, you will notice positive changes within yourself and be able to appreciate your progress. Embrace this transformation and celebrate your journey for growth. Next, goal. Write your goal on a piece of paper and display it where you can see it every morning. But having a goal is just a beginning. To achieve it, you need a process. You need to build a step-by-step plan and commit to following it every day. That's where habits come in. Habits are the actions that propel you towards your goal, one step at a time. So let's start building those habits and watch as we inch closer to our dreams. Then comes affirmation and appreciation. Start your day with affirmation and appreciation. Each morning, affirm your goals and intention. Recognize the progress you're making and appreciate yourself for your efforts. Give yourself compliment and acknowledge that you're taking action towards your aspirations. This is how you ignite change within yourself and pave the way to achieving your goals. Additionally, a helpful tip is to track. Track your progress each time to ensure you are staying consistent. Tracking is a best thing. Even researchers has shown that people who track their progress on goal are more likely to improve than those don't. These steps will help you to follow those habits throughout your successful journey. Join our community for ongoing support, inspiration, and guidance on your wellness journey. Like, comment, and subscribe to Curo to stay connected and motivated. If you have any questions or would like information on a specific topic, Please let us know by dropping a comment below. Remember, your journey to wellness begins now. Let's make every moment count.